Today, we show you how to make these delicious keto stuffed eggplants. They're perfect for your weekly meal prepping. This keto recipe includes only low-carb vegetables and a generous amount of healthy fats. Let's get started. Slice the eggplants in half lengthways. Then, use a spoon to scrape out the flesh and carve out a hollow center. By the way, if you're into healthy recipes, hit the subscribe button below and be the first to see our new videos. Let's proceed. Finely chop the eggplant flesh and keep it aside for the stuffing. Heat the extra virgin olive oil and cook the eggplant skins for 5 minutes. Then flip them and cook them for 5 more minutes until they have softened and released excess water. Then remove from the heat and set aside. Next, let's prepare the eggplant stuffing. Heat the extra virgin olive oil and add finely chopped onions, crushed garlic, chili flakes, and black pepper. Sizzle all for a few minutes until fragrant. Then stir in the chopped eggplant flesh, half plum tomatoes, lean turkey mince, frozen spinach. Give it all a good stir and cook covered for 15 minutes. Stir occasionally and season with salt according to taste. Make sure the water released from the vegetables has reduced. Brush a roasting pan with extra virgin olive oil. And arrange the cooked aubergines cut side up. Then stuff the eggplant skins with the mince mix. Finally, garnish with chopped fresh parsley, and drizzle with extra virgin olive oil. We're ready to bake. Roast the aubergines in the oven at 190 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Serve these keto stuffed eggplants with a side salad. And sprinkle with chopped roasted nuts for a crunchy finish. Enjoy! there! Thanks for watching this to the end. If you like what you saw, subscribe to our channel and let's cook healthy food together. Thanks, have a great day!